Working in top banking and financial service company has been a dream career? If yes, this course is the best fit. This all-in-one finance and investment certification contains 11 modules and 450 plus hours of practical training. During this course, the candidate will gain complete knowledge about the financial markets, which include the stock market, commodity market, currency market, bond market, and many more. The 11 modules covered in this course include: Number 1, Introduction to Financial Markets. Number 2, Trading in Equities. Number 3, Derivative Pricing and Strategies. Number 4, Global Economy Analysis. Number 5, Advanced MS Excel. Number 6, Fundamental Analysis using Financial Modeling. Number 7, Fixed Income. Number 8, Currency. Number 9, Agri and Non-Agri Commodities. Number 10, Technical Analysis. Number 11, Article, blogs, and books reading. By the end of this course, the candidate will be well trained to clear exam-based certifications, including NCFM by NSE Academy, NISM by SEBI, and Investment Foundation Program by CFA Institute, USA. Additionally, Financial Markets course will build up a strong base for CFA Level 1 exam preparation. This course will also help students to fleet start their careers in finance and investments with investment banks, private equity firms, KPOs, banks, credit rating companies, financial brokers, mutual funds, and many more. Additionally, this course will help candidates to become a professional trader and investor. After completion of this course, candidates will be offered 100% placement and internship assistance. Wish for a better future today. Inquire right now. Call 96444-11558 or visit www.maheshwariinstitute.com. Maheshwari Institute, MICR, is Central India's leading institute in financial training.